Hi, I'm Carl, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is in the SketchUp series playlist. Got a short tutorial for you today. Very easy to do, and this is a project I was previously working on, and haven't been back to this in a few weeks, but anyway, my idea was these are going to be restrooms, and this is some kind of utility janitor's closet. So we're going to put a different carpet in here just for this tutorial. We're just going to change this and put a different carpet in here and then rotate the grain or direction of the carpet. Very easy process, and there's several ways you can do this, and there is another way that is more advanced where you can turn it in like 45 degrees with different points that you can grab and rotate, but we're going to do that in another video, a more advanced technique. Okay, let's take this. I'm going to, it's kind of an ugly linoleum tile floor here. Going to come over here to the materials right here, the default tray, materials. Well, let me back up a second here. X out of this. Come over here to right here. You'll see the paint bucket. Left click, and on mine this is set up to where you left click on that radio button. This will come up. So here's the choices that you'll have right here. So I'm in the carpet, fabrics, leathers menu right here, and scroll down, and here is the floor that's in this restroom. We're going to change that floor to a different pattern. Let's just use this one. So we're going to highlight that one. You see it comes up here. Just left click right there. So now we're going to change the grain direction. It's going to go this way. Very easy thing to do. I'm going to come up here to my select tool. Left click on this. Right click. Come down to texture right here. Slide to the right and go to position. Okay, you'll see this come. This is what I was talking about earlier, where these four nodes right here each of them has a specific function, but we're going to do that in a different video. So once you have this selected, I'm going to right click on this again, rotate 90 degrees, then hit enter. There you go. Very easy process. Let's do something else, another example. I'm going to come over here and get my rectangle tool. I'm going to draw 48, 96. Okay, we're going to pretend that this is a sheet of plywood. So I'm going to come over here to the wood button right here. Let's click on that one. First we need to fill this in. Come over here to the paint bucket. Click on that one. Let's hit let's use wood cherry original. There we go. So we have the fill on this 4 foot by 8 foot piece of plywood. We're going to rotate the grain direction of this wood here. So like we did before, select tool, make sure that's highlighted. You see it change colors. There we go. Right click, come down to texture, slide to position, left click. Okay. Like I said earlier, these four nodes are for something specific, but we're not going to go over these right now. I'm going to right click, rotate 90 degrees. There we go. See the wood's now going this direction. Hit enter. There we go. Easy enough. Very easy process if you need to do this. I saw one example where The company was a metal supply company, and they had corrugated tin on one of their walls. So what the designer did, we're just going to use this as an example. He put a line down this way in the middle. Then he put a, well, I'm just going to show you right here. Let's see. Where's the metal? Here's the metal. Okay, right here is the metal corrugated shiny. We're just going to click on that one. And the designer wanted to rotate these. So, the same process. Highlight that one. Right click. Texture. Position. Right click again. Rotate 90 degrees. There we go. Hit enter. There we go. We got a corrugated steel wall now. Now my next video, I'm going to show you how to do it on angles and use those 4 pick points or nodes. Show you what they do. I'm sure this is going to help out some of you. And my name is Carl, and I do appreciate you spending time with us.